Good morning students. I am back with chapter 3rd Geography class 8. I am telling about minerals and power resources. What are mineral and power resources? Well, you surely know what minerals are. Your balanced diet asks you to have a diet full of vitamins and minerals. However, we are going to divide a little from that concept now. We We have already discussed some topics of this chapter like what are mineral resource, type of minerals, extraction of minerals, distribution of minerals and uses of minerals. Today we are discussing on power resource. We need power resources for industry, agriculture, transport, communication and defense. Therefore, we must understand the importance of these resources and conserve them. Power resources are of two types. Number 1, conventional resource, and number 2, non-conventional resource. Conventional resource, it means traditional resource. Conventional resources are those that have been in common use for a long time. Firewood and fossil fuels are two main conventional energy sources. Now look on the board and try to understand with this table conventional source of energy. Some examples front of you. Number 1, oil and natural gas. Some advantage and disadvantage. Students, all the minerals there are both advantage and disadvantage. So again look on the board. Oil. Advantage of oil: easier transport, basis of petrochemical industry. Advantage of natural gas: easier to transport, cleaner than oil and coal, cheaper than oil. And disadvantage are depletion of oxygen due to oil spillage and gas leakage. Exportation of new fuel is not easy. Next example is firewood. Advantage of firewood is easy access, provide energy to a large number of people. Disadvantage of firewood: polluting, deforestation. Next example is coal. Extensively available and disadvantage is polluting resources, blocking of transport. Next one example, hydel power. Advantage of hydel power is non-polluting, cheap, and disadvantage displacement of local community. Try to understand two power resources with these notes. Power resource. What is power resource? Power energy is necessary for industry, agriculture, transport, communication and defense. Power resources categorized as conventional and non-conventional resource. Conventional resources of energy, those sources which have been in common use for a long time, are called conventional resources of energy. Like firewood, it is widely used for cooking and heating. Fossil fuel, remains of plants and animals which were buried under the earth for millions of years, got converted by the heat and pressure into fossil fuel. Coal, petroleum and natural gas are the fossil fuels which are the main sources of conventional energy. Fossil fuel are in limited quantity and the rate of which the growing world population is consuming them is far greater than the rate of their formation. Coal, most abundantly found fossil fuel, it is used as a domestic fuel. Electricity from coal is called their thermal power. Produced in the world: China, USA, Germany, Russia, South Africa and France. Produced in India: Raniganj, Jharia, Dhanbad and Bokaro in Jharkhand. Next conventional resource is petroleum. So, petroleum is a thick black liquid. It is found between the layers of rock. This is then sent to refineries which process the crude oil and produce a variety of products like diesel, petrol, kerosene, wax, plastic, etc. Petroleum and its derivatives are called black gold as they are very valuable. Produced in the world: Iran, Iraq, Saudi Arabia and Qatar, USA, Russia, and in India, Digboy in Assam, Bombay High in Mumbai and the delta of Krishna and Godavari rivers. Next conventional source is natural gas. Natural gas is found with petroleum deposits and is released when crude oil is brought to the surface. It can be used as a domestic and industrial fuel. Producer in the world: Russia, Norway, UK and the Netherlands. In India, Jaisalmer, Krishna, Godavari Delta, Tripura and some areas of offshore in Mumbai. Next question is, why use of fossil fuel should be checked? Means, why should we take care? So, the sharp increase in our consumption of fossil fuel has led to their depletion at an alarming rate. The toxic pollutant released from burning these fuels are also a cause for concern. Hydel power. How hydel power is generated? It is very simple. Rainwater or river water stored in dams is made to fall from height. The falling water flow through pipes inside the dam over turbine blades placed at the bottom of the dam. The moving blades then turn the generator to produce electricity, which is called hydroelectricity. Producer in the world: Uruguay, Norway, Brazil and China. In India, Bhakra Nagar, Gandhi Sagar, Nagarjuna Sagar Dam. Next and last topic of this chapter is non-conventional resource. Conventional source of energy, which we will discuss in next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.